Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send someone your location through iMessage. So this is going to be particularly useful in case, someone is trying to meet up with you, or maybe you just want to let someone know where you are just for safety purposes. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be straight to the point, simple and sweet. And so let's go ahead and get started. First, what we're going to do is enter an iMessage chat with the individual who you want to send your location to. Now, once you have the iMessage chat opened up, what you're going to do is click on this plus icon on the bottom left. Now from here, you're going to see this prompt that says location. So go ahead and click on location. So in location, you're going to see a map of you. All you need to do is click on this button that says send, and then your location will be sent to that individual. So it is important to note that you do need to have GPS tracking enabled on your phone, but even so, this right here is the best and easiest way that I've seen to actually go ahead and send someone your location. Now, if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.